Hi, Michael, a Mercedes guy here. And on 1960s, 70s, 80s, 90s cars, maybe even newer, there is a grease fitting on the door hinges. It is accessible by opening the door, and that fitting is right there. Now, it's not a conventional fitting. But it does have a little ball bearing in there with a spring, just like regular fittings. And what you need is this tool right here. This couples onto your grease gun, and the outlet is a point. And you insert it and push hard. That pushes the ball bearing in, and give it enough squirts of grease until you see grease come out above and below the hinge that fastens to the jamb.